Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us check out today's lead code problem of the day. So, what problem statement says that you are given an string S containing of lowercase English letters. Okay, so our task is to maximize the difference between the frequency of A1 and frequency of A2 between the frequency of characters A1 and A2 in the string such that A1 has an odd frequency in the string and A2 has an even frequency in the string. Okay, so if you want to maximize the difference, so the frequency of A1 should be the maximum, right? And the frequency of A2 should be minimum. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so what is A1 and A2? A2 is our odd frequency and A2 is our even frequency. Okay, so let us check out an example. So here we have here we can see here the frequency of A is equals to 5. Okay, the frequency of A is 5, the frequency of B is 2, and the frequency of C is 1. So we have to take the maximum odd frequency. So maximum odd frequency out of 5 and 1 is 5, right? And we have to take the minimum even frequency. We have only one even frequency. Okay, so I will take 2. So our answer will be 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So this is pretty simple. So how first of all I have to count all the frequency of all the characters, right? So for that I will use one map. So let us try to code this one. So first of all I need to create one map as map of character to integer, character to integer, map equals to new as map. Okay, let us take the length of the string is dot length. Now let's iterate over that string. Int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus pt. I will take that character, the current character. Let's say current char equals to s dot character, and I will what I will do if that character is already present in the map, so I will increase the frequency. Otherwise, I will just put that character in the map with frequency equals to 1. So how I will do? Let's say map dot put. I want to put that current character with. I will check if we have one function in map. Map dot get or default. Map dot get or default. So current char, and we have to pass one default value. So what this will return, if that is already present, then this will give us the frequency of that character. Otherwise, it will give us 0. And what I will do, I will just increase the frequency by 1. Okay, that's fine. Now what I will do, so I got this one, right? A as 5, B as 2, and C1, C as 1. So now what I want to do, I want maximum odd frequency. Okay, so max odd I want. Let us initialize with 0, and I want minimum even. So for minimum even I will initialize it with n with some maximum value, right? So now I will iterate over that map. So for all the integers, let's say n in map dot values, I will get all the values from the map. So I will get an integer, and I will check if that integer, let n is odd or even. If it is equals to odd, if it is equals to odd, I just it is equals to odd and it is lesser than and it is greater than the max odd. So I will update the max odd. Okay. Oh, sorry, if it is even, n modulo 2 equals to 0 means it is even, and it is lesser than the minimum even, so, then I will update the minimum even. So I will say minimum even equals to math dot mean of minimum even comma the comma n, but n is already we have defined in here, right? So let us take another let's say what we can say frequency. Okay, and if it is odd, then what I will say, if I got odd that is greater than that max odd, and then I will update that odd. Okay, so max odd equals to math dot maximum of max odd and the frequency. Okay, frequency, that's finally what we have to do. We have to return the difference that max odd minus minimum even. That's it. Let us try to run this. Where to run? Okay. Okay. We are getting current. Okay. Line number 10. This should the current care. Current care. Okay. Let us try to run this. Okay. Let us try to submit this. This is the submit button, right? Yep. So it is submitting fine. Thank you. I hope you got understand.